These environments are home to many living creatures. Many organisms you will see have exotic capabilities and adaptations that you have never seen before. Creatures are amazing if you only looked closely. This creature has evolved to develop a very hard shell. It can withstand almost anything, if not everything. Observe. It is perfectly fine. Now for the next location. This complex living creature is wonderful. It can fulfill every single necessary function to live. It can survive. It's durable. It can move around. And it can even reproduce. This creature is truly amazing. This wonderful creature, luscious and amazing, is a tulip. It's quite wonderful, isn't it? Beautiful. This amazing single-celled organism is quite a true wonder. Using body mechanics alone, it generates electricity. The only reason that we haven't learned to harvest power from these is that it's inefficient. They're so small, they can barely do anything. But if they were bigger, we'd be able to harvest a lot of energy from these molecular beings. Our scientists here have been working to remove all the waste from these habitats to make room for many other wonderful creatures. All of this had to be torn down to make room for everything here. Doing good for the environment. All in all, nature comes in many different forms, like this exotic being, or these special beings, or this one-celled organism. All in all, nature is truly a beauty. Thank you for watching this nature documentary. Thanks to Liam Runyon as our explorer, Anderson Haney as our editor and photographer, and voiceover by Owen Haney. We hope you enjoyed.